This access point leverages the latest Wi-Fi 6 technology, providing superior wireless performance and efficiency on both the 2.4 and 5 GHz bands. It is equipped with a powerful 1.8 GHz quad-core processor and a full gigabyte of RAM, ensuring smooth operation even in demanding network environments. The device runs on MikroTik's highly versatile RouterOS v7, offering an extensive suite of professional-grade networking features and customization options. Installation is simplified thanks to its support for Power over Ethernet, allowing both data and power to be delivered over a single gigabit network cable. Its discreet ceiling-mountable design allows it to blend seamlessly into professional or home environments, providing excellent coverage without being obtrusive. With its combination of modern hardware and advanced software, this unit is an excellent choice for creating a robust and high-capacity wireless network.